Mickey Mouse games, cartoon games, and little superhero games that not on the PlayStation 4 no more. What's up, guys? You gotta love Ratchet and Clank. And talking about Ratchet and Clank, I got the newest one to prove I do really have it. That I do learn from GameFly. That I really do have it. There is, and I like it. It's fun. It's like bringing back the old Ratchet and Clank games to playing one. But I'm gonna let you guys go for my. What's up, guys? So yes, I'm going to show you that about not that long ago. Is Ready on it RKO out of nowhere. Right there. And if we go to therealjustinakaj.com, right now you can read a blog about WWE 2K17 review and a NBA 2K17 review but just go to therealjustinakaj.com and go there. And if you just want to know where you can just go right to the blog, it's called therealjustinakaj.com/blog. But I'm going to let you guys go for right now, so I hope you like this video, and peace. What's up, guys? I don't play on the online that much, but I'm going to try to start, But if you want to add me, just put in Fat Boys here, and you should see this go. Got it right here, just add me, I'll try you back, and all the games I really have, is NBA 2K17, Ratchet and Clank, the show, I know for sure I have, Watch Dogs 2 I have, WWE I have, and Batman I have. But I probably have to update all these games too, and I don't really know if I'm gonna do that. So just add me on PlayStation Network. It's called Fat Boys here, and I might play online with you, but I'm really not in the mood to talk right now, so I'm just gonna let you guys go with that. So peace.